Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's call it a what's in my bag, but I'm going to review two recent bag purchases. One I got at the sale and one I got during the sale, but it wasn't on sale. Let me tell you the story about the first bag. I was looking for a tote bag that I could carry my umbrella and some other things that I need in the summer. Because here's the thing about Florida that I've learned. You have to be prepared for the weather here. It depends on the time of the year. Some people think it's like the same all year round. It definitely isn't. Summertime, we have a lot of rain. And when I say it rains, it's like a freaking monsoon. It's like the end of the world rain when it rains here. And you have to be prepared with your shoes that you're wearing. And you also have to be prepared with an umbrella. Umbrella must go with you everywhere you go. Even if you don't think it will rain, you just have to be prepared because at any time it will just rain and you need an umbrella, okay? It's not like a little rain. It's not like a pouring rain that you see in Chicago. No, this is like hurricane rain. And if you know, you know. Okay. So I want to get a tote bag. I want to get something that would be comfortable. I didn't want a big bulky bag either, because you're going to see what I'm going to carry in here. I don't carry a lot of stuff, but I needed something big enough to carry my umbrella. So this is the bag that I picked up, and I love it. Okay, let me fix it here. I got to fix it because there's a couple different ways that you can wear it. I'm going to show you the first way. Okay, so this is from Tory Burch. This is her Ella style bag. I forget what this exact bag is called, but I will leave the details below. I've never gotten a bag from Tory Burch before, and honestly, I haven't gotten much from her. I have not had good luck with her sandals. I've tried so many of her sandals, and they're just not comfortable for me. But I saw this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just love this bag because I just feel like it's a versatile bag that I feel like I can wear a lot of different things with it. I feel like it's sort of neutral that I could wear with so many different things, okay? So this is what it looks like. So this is, I don't know, I guess that would be considered the front side. So I love this design on it. I love it. I like her monogram. Some monogram stuff I'm not into I'm just not into the Louis Vuitton monogram stuff. I'm just not personally. I'm not really into the Gucci monogram stuff. I don't mind the GG that I have on my bag, but I don't know that I would wear a bag of like GG, it's all over it. It's just not my style. You know what I mean? But this I like because it doesn't really look like a monogram. It just looks like a design. You know what I mean? So I love this. I love the little daisies on here. I love it. I love the color of it. And this actually is a little pocket. Now, I don't know what you would put in there. I wouldn't want to put anything that would, damage it or anything. I probably could snap that up, but you can't stick something in there if you really needed to. I don't think I would put my phone in there. It's kind of tight, and I just wouldn't want anything to happen to the stitching on it, so I would not recommend it. It doesn't have any feet, and I do wish it did. That's the only negative that I will tell you, or two negatives. That, and I wish the straps were a little bit wider. But I find that a lot of these tote bags are really thin like that. I just wish they were maybe just a little bit wider, personally. I don't know. But that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the side, and then that's what it looks like on the back. But oh my God, I just love this bag. I just think it is so cute. I didn't have any white bags in my, I guess I could call it a collection, right? Although I never want to have a massive amount of handbags. So before I get any bag, I really, really think about it. I see so many people that they just constantly get bags. And I did recently, like this, and then my Gucci one, I think I've had that one for a while now. I normally don't buy a lot of bags, but when I do, I really, really think about how I'm going to wear it, what I'm going to wear it with, and all that. Like, it's just really, I really think about it before I get it. I'm not like a impulse buyer or anything like that. But I just knew I wanted something really cute that I feel like I'm not saying I would go to a wedding or some fancy function with this, but I feel like I could be like dressy casual with this, and I think it would still look nice. Or I could have a pair of jeans with it. That's what I like. So as you see how it's like this? You can't unsnap it. Okay? So when you unsnap it, then you can make it a little bit wider. And I like that. So that's one of the things I didn't like about the Nordstrom anniversary sale totes that I saw. The ones that they had from her weren't like that. They were just really open, and so I just didn't like that. I'm going to snap this back up. So I like it. It kind of gives the tote, here, I'll do it on snap so you can see it that way. So it just gives it, the bag gives a different look when you don't have that. You know what I mean? But I like the option to be able to do that, so I like that. So I'm going to unload everything, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the bag. And it does have a magnetic closure here. See here, I guess I have it the wrong way so you can see it. Okay, now you can see. So I like that. I like that it's not all open. And when you do, sorry, so it closes like that. And then when you do snap these, and I'm going to snap them again, when you snap them, then it kind of closes it up a little bit more. So it's just open like that. So I like that. So inside my bag, I have my glasses. These are my brown Fendi glasses. These ones fit really nice. Not like those black ones. Those black ones I don't understand it. But these ones fit really, really nice. And then of course I always have to have my readers. I have my umbrella. Always got to have an umbrella, Ella. I have my phone charger, and I have my phone, which I'm going to leave it in there because I'm going to show you where I usually keep it. There's 2 spots for it. Then I have this bag I got. This is kind of big, but I can put it in a bag like this, and I can put some other things if I really needed it. This was a gift with purchase from Dior that I got maybe several months ago now. It's really a nice bag. And by the way, before I go on, I was looking at getting one of those Dior bags, you know, those canvas bags that they have, but it's like I couldn't justify the price for me. I just felt like it's all canvas. This is canvas too, okay? But I just felt like, and this is leather, but I just felt like I would have to be so careful with it. I would be afraid to use it. What is the point of having it? I've seen them in person. They're beautiful, but I'm like, I just can't. I can't. So that's when I saw this. I'm like, this is. I think it's nicer than those. To me, for me, okay. So, anyways, but I got this with a purchase, and this is really a nice lined bag. And so in here I have my little Kleenex. I usually have a hand sanitizer in here, and I don't think I have it in here. I don't. I have a little sunscreen powder. Sometimes I will have even a bottle. I don't have it in here, but I will have a bottle of sunscreen in here. I always have a lip liner and gloss, and then I always have a mirror in here. That's pretty much all I carry in there. And then I have my keys, and then I'll show you the liner, and then you'll see my phone in here. So this is what it looks like. So you got a pocket on that side, which I could stick my phone in on that side. And then you also have the other side as well, but it's like a little zipper. Really nicely made, you guys. Really nicely made. Really love this a lot. So this is my bag that I've been using mostly. I don't like to use my nice Gucci bag because of the rain. And even this I have to be careful with too. But I worry more about that one than this one, because this one wasn't, it was a different price range, okay? So let me put these in here. So that's that bag, and I love it. I love it. Here, I'll show you what it kind of looks like on me. I don't know. This is what it looks like if I carry it. Oh my gosh, I love it. 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 Highly recommend if you're looking for a nice tote bag. I recommend it. I really, 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 really love it. That's what I've been wearing lately. I want to put some things in this bag because I want you to see what that one looks like when I'm using it and have all my stuff in. And oh, you know what I forgot? Oh, it's actually, you know what I didn't have in here? My wallet. But you know my wallet's gonna fit in here. I mean, come on. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna fit in there. So let me go, like, I'm gonna go out someplace and I'm going to have this bag. Sunglasses, I don't think I'd put my sunglasses, I'd probably just hang them. I never put my sunglasses on my head. I do not. I see people do that. No, I take care of my sunglasses. I'm not going to put them on top of my head. I don't want to stretch them out. So, no, that's a no for me. So this bag is the Coach bag. Now, when I first got this, I didn't like the way it hung on my body. I thought it looked kind of weird. But now I tried it on again, and I had pictures, took some pictures from my Nordstrom haul, and I was like, actually really like that bag. I was surprised. So this is what it looks like. Again, I wish it had little feet on it, but I still like it. I think it says, I don't know what it says on the bottom there. I don't know what it says on the bottom there because my glasses are in here. But this is what it looks like. So one side has this. That's what it looks like all around. That's what it looks like on the top. I love this little, I just love this little thing here. I think it's really cute. A little Coach thing. I think it's cute. Really well made bag. You've got this little compartment here, which I don't know what you could fit in there. I guess if you wanted to fit, I'll put some money in there. You can. So you could fit fold up money if you needed to. If you needed to be able to have access to get money really quickly, you could do that. That's about all you're going to fit in there, something really tiny. And then I'm going to, the zipper is really nice on it. Unzip it, and I'm going to show you what's inside, and then we'll look at the outside again. So I have my wallet that, I didn't have in my other thing. This is from Disney, by the way. But your credit card's here. My license is on the other side, and I'm not going to show you that. I have my readers. Again, sunscreen, a gloss, and a lipstick. And this one, by the way, I'll just tell you what this is, the same one they had in the other one. This is a new gloss. This is one I'm wearing today. Actually, let me touch it up. I feel like I've been talking a lot all day. I'm doing a lot of videos. This is a new one. This is in the color Sunset Rose. Really pretty. And this is the Huda Beauty Muted Pink, which I am not wearing today, but I couldn't find the one that I can't find it. It's on my messy ass table. So I always carry Kleenex with me because I have allergies. And here is my hand sanitizer. I love this stuff. It smells so good. This one's called Sea Salt Hand Sanitizer. I got this from Anthropologie. So I don't think they sell it there anymore. I don't know. I have my phone charger. I have my phone. I feel like I'm getting out. Am I getting out of? This is my phone. My keys. So you can fit a lot in this little purse. Mirror, and that's it. So let me just unzip this. There's a little storage here. I forgot to take, there we go, some more packing that was on it. So this is what it looks like inside. So this, here we go. This side you have a little pocket. You can stick some things in there. I don't know if you could stick, a phone if you're not going to close it, okay? And then you have this other little zipper pocket there, which is nice. And then you have the interior. Really, really nice. Super cute bag. I love this bag. One thing I think I might do is look for another strap for it, because I think I'd rather have like a chain strap. I think it'd be really cute with a chain strap, but this is what it looks like. So this one, oops, there we go. That's what it looks. So if I were to wear it like that, that's what it looks like. Wait, keep on there. So I can wear it like that. You can crossbody, which I would have to lower the strap. This is not low for crossbody, okay? And then, oh my goodness, let's hide that belly. And then, there we go. And then you could just walk around with it like that too. I like to have little bags like this. Most of my bags are small. That tote's probably the biggest one that I carry right now. I have some other bags that I don't use all the time. I just don't carry a lot of stuff anymore because I have shoulder and back issues. So I don't like to carry a lot of stuff. So even in here, I just carry what I need. I don't need a lot. I just have lipstick. You saw it, lipstick, lip liner, keys, hand sanitizer, wallet. I just don't carry a lot of stuff with me anymore. I don't carry a lot of stuff with me anymore. You know what I mean? I just carry what I need. So this is just really, I think it's really, really cute. I think it's really different looking. I really like it. Last year at the Nordstrom sale, they had that, what is it called again? I forget the style of it that they had. And they sold out of it. And they do carry that bag. I haven't seen this particular bag on their website. So I don't know if this is I don't know. I don't know if this is a new style, but I know when I was just currently looking to see if they had other colors, because last year they did have that same style at Coach, but they had different colors. I didn't see the style there, so unless I missed it, I didn't see it. But I just really like it in white. It's just a cute little white bag. So last I checked, this was still available. Hopefully it still is. And if it's something that you want, I definitely would recommend it. But like I said, when I first tried it on, I did not like it. I thought I was going to go send it back. But then I tried it on again. I'm like, actually, it's really, really cute. So I'm keeping it. I'm glad I did because I really like it. So I definitely would recommend either bag. I think they're both different. They're both made really, really well. One thing I want to tell you is it's soft leather. See that little thing there? It is going to get some little creases and stuff, so you just have to be okay with that. When I ordered this, I ordered 2 of them. And this one was the better one because the other one had some and it was brand new and it wasn't even used and it had some of that. So you're going to get those little denty things in there. So you just have to keep that in mind. This is part of the charm, I guess, you know. Share what's your favorite bag. What's your favorite Kurt bag that you love to use as a tote or use as a mini bag? Share it in the comments because I know it's always helpful for anybody else that may be looking for a bag. Maybe they'll want to check out your bag too. All right. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. I feel like this is made really well, really. There we go. I don't know. My camera doesn't like when I put glasses on. I don't know why.